Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's October 5th, 2025, and we're down here feeding the animals. CJ's helping me. Oh, CJ. Yeah? I got the 7-Eleven chickens fed, and the escape chicken is out, so I hope she lays an egg out here for us. Yeah, all animals are fed. So now we just need to go back and water. Okay, almost got the water on. And CJ's out here trying to get the animals to come to him. Do some hay in there. And he likes those goats. It's around 10 a.m. right now. And about 52 degrees. A lot of blue in the sky. A lot of smoke off to the west. A little hazy over here. CJ says it's time to go back up to the house. Take a ride in the golf cart, huh? Yeah? You happy? Say happy. Let's go. I got some things to do today. I think we're making applesauce. Today is Sunday. A lot of family over.